how to install WhatsApp on your Android device. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen or in the apps screen, open up Play Store. At the bottom here, tap on the search button. Then we go to the top and tap on the text search box. In here, we type in WhatsApp. And then tap on the search button on the keyboard. At the top here, once you say WhatsApp Messenger, tap on the install button. Now this should only take a few seconds on your device, so wait for that to finish. Okay, now we tap on the open button. Then select your language and tap on agreed and continued. Next, you need to put in your phone number, so tap on allow. Then enter in your SIM card phone number. Okay, so put in your phone number and tap on next, then tap on continued. And here it said allow WhatsApp to access contacts and accounts on this device. Tap on allow. And now it is verifying. Then tap on continued and tap on continued. After that, tap on next. Here, so you can enter the screen lock for the selected device and then tap on next. Okay, and after that, it says use your screen lock, so put in your screen password. On this page here, on the profile info page, tap on continued, then tap on allow, and then tap on allow limited access to your gallery or allow all. Now you can choose to restore from backup or transfer from old phone, so I will select restore from backup and tap on continued. You also have the option to skip, then tap on continued. So here to automatically verify it with the missed call to your phone, tap on continued, tap on allow, then allow again. Okay, now it's verified and restore the chats to our device. And it is now restoring. And tap on next. Then tap on next. Here you can also add a profile picture to your WhatsApp on your Android device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Once signed in, you can now start chatting with your friends and other people.